Today we'll be making raw chocolate chia and raspberry pudding. It's a really easy recipe and we'll be using chia seeds, which is a really great ingredient full of nutrients and antioxidants, so great to have as part of your repertoire. So let's make a start straight away. Just 2 stages to this. For the first part, you'll need 4 tablespoons of chia seeds, black or white ones, it's up to you, 1 tablespoon of raw cacao powder, some maple syrup or another sweetener of your choice, and 1.5 cups of coconut milk. So just pour your coconut milk into a bowl and your chia seeds. Spend some time combining that. Well combined. Now let's add our tablespoon of raw cacao. 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, it's up to you. I'm going to go for 2. And then just same thing again, let's just whisk these together till they're nicely combined. And even at this early stage, the chia seeds will start to thicken up the coconut milk. The chia seeds have a jelly-like substance to them, so great for making puddings and mousses, even having it as a cereal in the morning. Need to grab your spoon and just scrape down the cacao that's like sticking to the sides of the bowl to make sure you get all that lovely chocolatey goodness in there. So that's pretty nicely combined now, and I'm going to pour it into a pouring jug just to make it nice and neat when I pour it into the glasses. It makes about 2 large serves or 4 small serves. I'm going to go for slightly larger serves today. So that's pretty much it. We'll have to chill them in the fridge overnight or at least for 8 hours. So just pop them into the fridge and just let them sit there. So you've let your chia puddings chill for at least 8 hours or overnight. And we'll get into the second part of the recipe. It's also super easy. 3/4 cup frozen raspberries. Just pour them in to your food processor. 5 medjool dates. I'm just going to add a tablespoon of coconut oil into the mix just to help them combine. Whisk them all together. You want it to be a nice raspberry jam type consistency. Okay, so I think that's pretty much ready. Now we can spoon them into the chia puddings. Nice generous serve there. So that's pretty much it, and then it's ready to eat, so enjoy. That is so good. I hope you enjoy them, and I'll see you next time. Let's try the raspberry jam on its own. That's pretty good too. It's all very sweet.